Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are building what was a thorn in my side for a long time because this was quite a hard print and build. But it is one of my favorite hand cannons of all time from Destiny, and it is Thorn. And it was a weapon I used extensively in PvP, and this was back in the day where I could get off accurate single shots at targets with a controller. And yeah, this was a lot of fun to make. So first of all, the actual barrel is huge, 12-hour print. The first one failed, unfortunately. Got to about 80% or so, and then failed. Unfortunate. Reconfigured the settings after that, got more adhesion on, and that did survive. Although at about that same point, about the 80% region, it was totally knocking it. Like there was something about the construction of it as it built that was hitting the nozzle every layer for a while, and then eventually I seemed to get past that and it was okay. So whew, close, but the second one did go. So this really was a thorn in my side for quite some time. But when I seen this on Thingiverse, it's a very old model. However, it is such a kind of iconic weapon for me that I was like, I've got to 3D print this. It's also very simple. It's two colors basically. It's black and gold. So I thought I could pull this off quite well. It does have glowy bits in the real version, which I'm not going to do here. But yeah, I think this is a sweet recreation. And I almost bit off more than I could chew with this one. If I had tried this earlier in my 3D printing career, I would have failed every single time. It's also absolutely massive, and there's almost no straight sides, so printing all the parts, pretty much all of them need some sort of support other than the barrel itself. And yeah, although it is as well just a few parts, God, it was quite a struggle to put together. Although I think the final product does look good, and hopefully you guys will agree. But at this point in the building process, I had got all the bits printed, and normally with the previous models, I have gone and spray painted up everything individually and then put it together. Whereas this time I was actually going to mostly assemble it, apart from that ammunition that I was going to leave out and hand paint that with a nice gold paint. So yeah, I ended up putting the whole thing together. And here's my previous wingman to give you kind of an idea of scale. So the wingman's got more bulk to it, more, it's a thicker weapon, but the actual thorn is just huge, absolutely tremendous. It may get actually looks a little bit more elegant and sleeker in some ways. I have always loved the overall design of it, and my idea here is to paint it badly. So I'm going to come at it with hopefully a rather dark silver, or at least a metallic color, and put that over quite badly so that a lot of the actual black plastic shows through. You can also see that I've got the gold painted up here, and just gives you an idea of the contrast this is going to have. The contrast here between these two colors, I just think just in this hand cannon looks insanely good. And I don't know if this is officially a hand cannon in Destiny. I always remember there was like pistols and hand cannons at some point, but I don't know. I think it's a hand cannon. And because in the Destiny world you kind of have the light and the dark, which are basically magic, I was actually thinking if I could get some of the actual filament layers to come through, because of course it has that black sheen to it where the light really reflects quite nicely. If I could have just little areas of that remain, then hopefully I'd end up with a bit more of a magical looking weapon. So this is the final product, and I'm pretty damn happy with it. Now, I do think I could have done better here, maybe just going a little bit lighter. Maybe it's too sparkly, maybe it's not dark enough. I might one day come back with it and hit it with maybe some more black overall or something like that. But I think it looks stunning. And it really depends as well which light it is in. If it's in like a really bright light, it doesn't always kind of look right. But if it's getting light from like one side only, it looks freaking amazing. And yeah, very freaking happy with this thing. It's a mental thing. It was a pain in the ass to print. It was a pain in the ass to assemble, but the final product in my hand looks and feels so freaking cool. It also is beautiful because it stands up itself. It's basically got three points it sits on with the handle and the two parts in front of the barrel. So you can actually just sit it down and it looks so freaking cool. So this is going to be a display piece for sure somewhere, really showing off. I don't know if anyone else will give a crap about this thing because, of course, I have the memories of using it in game, but it just to me looks stunning.